Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Aquarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Aquarius, if you're new here, of course we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, somebody has been heavily thinking maybe about somebody who walked away. They do want to take back power, take back control. There's an emperor and an empress on the table already, but the empress is in reverse and center of my spread as well. So that's the main energy here from what I'm feeling. So bottom of my deck, I have the Queen of Cups. Love is there, except I think the empress seems a little upset because of there not being equal give and take in this connection. Okay. Maybe somebody is giving up. There's been too much of delay in this emperor taking charge. I don't know. There is a bit of disruption in maybe a committed relationship. Let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, Aquarius. Let's do this first and then we'll start the clarification. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Aquarius and their person spirit. Thank you. I'll take a few more Aquarius from another deck, and if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aquarius and their person. Thank you. Aquarius and their person. All right, good to go, Aquarius. The first card here says, the love I have for you is a deep reflection of the love I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so that I can look deep inside of myself and heal from within. This connection can feel out of balance when I try to reassure or overgive to you. I realized that I have to give to myself, and then that you will then master self-love. I think this empress has stopped giving now. I think they've gone into self-love. Okay, this is somebody who's taken back control, taken back charge of their own life, and is now shining bright. Okay, I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me, but you use silence as manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out like grown-ups. It drives me crazy how you manage to read my mind and hijack my thoughts. How do you know everything? Well, you can't really hide anything from the Queen of Cups. Very intuitive. I can't hide anything from you. I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates, forever entwined for eternity. You can't imagine how much I love you. You are the kind of person anyone would desire. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you now that you can count on me too. Well, I think I have an emperor who's suddenly coming into their power. I think after their person walked away. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. I really need your warmth and affection. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. I think this is the Empress, who's now become the Queen of Wands and has kind of stalled this connection, stagnated it. I've never felt such an intense connection. All right, so let's start your reading, Aquarius. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for this reading. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, move. Somebody is either moving away, Aquarius. Somebody has decided to move away, or there is going to be some movement coming into this connection. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Hermit spirit, who's in hermit mode now? Who's in the hermit energy now? Somebody who couldn't make up their mind. They were confused. They wanted to keep their options open. They may have cheated. They may have lied. They may have snuck away from the connection at one point. Now that they are left in hermit mode, they are now thinking about all that they did. Okay, and now whatever they are seeing of themselves, I think, is totally embarrassing them. They're very ashamed of this kind of behavior, of them always keeping their options open, cheating, lying, sneaking, running away, not committing. Now this person has been put into hermit mode to sit and think about all their wrongdoings, and what they've seen hasn't made them very happy. In fact, they're very ashamed now and embarrassed of their own behavior. So what's this Eight of Cups spirit? Who walked away? Who walked away? The Empress. I was about to say that when Spirit said, come on, I'll give you another card for that. I've already told you the Empress walked away from this connection because she was disrespected. This Empress has decided, I no longer want to work on this connection with you. That's, I think, kind of woken up this Emperor. Am I right, Emperor, since you're sitting here? Okay, let's give the mic to the Empress first. Empress, say something to us. Empress, what do you have to say about this connection? Empress says, I am looking for new love now. My person, this past person, they never gave me equal give and take. They never offered me that commitment. They disrespected me. I was always nurturing, kind, loving, and I never got that back in return from them. I'm now moving on, maybe looking for new love now. I want an emotional interaction. If they can't give it to me, well, I want it. So if not them, somebody else. So Emperor, now that you're in the upright, I'm going to give you the mic next. What do you want to say? Emperor? Emperor says, I want to charge towards my person now. I want them to put their barriers down. I'm suffering from bad karma, bad luck. They've judged me now so badly that I really don't know what to do with myself. I really want to move towards them once again, but they have to put their boundaries down. I want to take action. I want to be the Emperor to the Empress now. So what's the Six of Pentacles then, Spirit, in reverse? Six of Pentacles in reverse. This wasn't a balanced connection. This Empress is complaining to me and saying they breadcrumbed me totally. Maybe there were third parties involved, and that kind of really devastated this Empress. An Empress cannot be treated badly. The Empress is the queen above all queens. You do not consider an Empress to be just one of the queens or one of the options, and this kind of was a big betrayal that happened to this Empress. So Empress in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this connection crashed and burnt, and when this Empress made that decision. You can't make a decision? Okay, I'll make that decision. I'm going to allow this tower to. All they wanted was make a decision. Make a decision. Are we in it for the long haul or not? And since this Emperor, I think in the past, never made that decision, this Empress has blown apart this connection, the tower, and made a choice and a decision for them. Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Nine of Pentacles. Yes, so, this Empress says, they were draining me. They were taking love from me, taking, till my cup totally ran dry. And so much of waiting happened. There was so much delay happened that I couldn't cope with it anymore. I mean, I couldn't live with an empty cup, right? I mean, equal give and take is I fill their cup and they fill mine. But here mine was running dry. So, and that also after so long, I waited for so long, so much delay. Finally, I decided, all right, I'll stagnate this and okay, go then. So now the Four of Wands is in reverse. No stable offer is being given or received. There's trouble in paradise. And yes, there is no sense of reconciliation either. Okay, this Empress has decided, I will not be part of your third parties. I'm not going to entertain that thought. If you can't offer me stability, then I'm out. This Queen of Pentacles, this Empress is now turning. Yes, they have their boundaries up, my God. Big time. Big sword. I mean, I'm protecting my energy. I'm taking back control of my life. You want to come talk to me. If you say anything, this, that, and the other, I'm going to cut you off. Or they may have already cut them off. And by doing so, I think this Empress has now found themselves. They're glowing, they're looking beautiful, they're turning heads wherever they're going. They're pursuing their own ambitions and their passions. So Queen of Wands, say something. Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands says, my person was so cold, they were so rude, they were so unemotional that this connection never really made me happy. I wanted happiness with them, but their behavior was like a narcissist, very cold. They never opened up emotionally to me at all. And as much as I wanted happiness with them, well, I didn't feel it. That's the reason I have stagnated this connection. So, Page of Pentacles, Spirit in reverse. Yes, because this Queen of Wands says I'm upset with them and I'm angry with them. One more. Yeah, this Queen of Wands says they're a magician in the reverse, they're a trickster. I don't want to be depressed for the rest of my life. I don't want to look back and keep waiting and sorrow and sadness. I've pulled myself out of that energy. In fact, you know what, Omkara Tarot, I'm already looking out to see what else is out there. I'm already turned my back to this connection. Queen of Cups, how's our overall energy? You want to say something as well? Queen of Cups? Queen of Cups is in filling their cup. Queen of Cups is busy filling their own cup at the moment. The cup that had runneth dry, this Queen of Cups is now sitting in the upright and says, first my cup gets filled. This person, they created too much conflict, too much arguments. I'm considering this a lost opportunity, a false soulmate connection. Okay, I think this is this Empress who's moving away. So this Emperor does want to now make up, but of course we'll check in our next reading now what the action will be. But as of today, this Empress has kind of given up. Am I right, Spirit? They're going off for a fresh, brand new beginning for themselves. Yes, sailing off, leaving conflict behind, moving off to find happiness, peace, full of passion and a new beginning. Right? No longer wanting to talk to this Emperor. All right, so that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.